Meaning of enthusiastic.
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 Enthusiastic. Enthusiastic means having a strong and eager interest or excitement about something. It is a feeling of energy and enthusiasm towards a particular subject, activity, or goal. When someone is enthusiastic, they are passionate, motivated, and positive about what they are doing, and they may inspire others to feel the same way. Being enthusiastic can lead to better performance, increased productivity, and a more fulfilling experience in life. Overall, being enthusiastic is a valuable trait that can bring joy, inspiration, and success to both individuals and groups.